Hey, welcome back to Quiz Ryno. Today's challenge is the Choose Your Squishy Dumpling Box Edition. But watch out, every pick could lead to a treasure or a total trap. So keep track of your luck and see how well you do. Are you ready? Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Ryno for more fun quizzes. Here we go. Choose your first Squishy Dumpling box. How lucky are you? Which box will you pick? Pick the Mystery Dumpling box. You're on fire! Time to choose your fast food squishy. Can you guess what's inside? Next dumpling box. Wow! Ready to choose your dumpling? Which one looks lucky to you? Make your choice right now. Hope you picked the right one. You nailed it! Which box will you choose? Next dumpling. Nice pick. Pick your favorite box. Which one are you going with? Time for a new choice. Go for it. Pick a box. So cute. Which box has the treasure? Next challenge. Any guess? Trust your gut and pick one. Which one is the winner? Amazing pick! Ready for the next one? Choose your squishy dumpling box. Nice choice. Box number 22. Take your best guess. What's your final choice? Go ahead, grab a box. Which one are you taking home? How about this box? Jackpot! Time to choose again. Which box is the lucky one? Next dumpling box. Make your move. Pick one. Next challenge. Amazing find! Choose your favorite box. Pick a mystery box now. Final round. Choose your dumpling box. Who got the trap box? Did you get the golden dumpling or the trap box? Let us know in the comments. If you had fun playing, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Ryno for more movie challenges, emoji puzzles, and brain teasers. Tap the next challenge to see if you can keep your winning streak alive.